Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. So I'm here, my friend Richard. So we just came from the store. Yeah man, pick up a couple bottles of rum stuff. So I'm gonna make some rum punch. Yeah man, real Jamaican rum punch. So stay tuned. Yeah man, we're taking you from stage one. Alright. Yeah, so here we have an empty container. It's a gallon jug. Yeah, man. And here we have some peach schnapps liqueur, some mango juice, pineapple juice, yeah, lime juice, Angostura bitters, real Jamaican white rum. It's a Ray and Nephew overproof. Yeah, man. And some Myers rum. Yeah. And some coconut rum. That is it guys, so please stay tuned and please remember to go to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright. I want to say man them sell this. And sell them yard.
I sell them, man.
I'm put black oil man, Jamaican.
And then I pull our rubber and dash it in there.
Mm-hmm.
You got me the rum drinker?
Yeah.
I support that.
Can't support that man.
When we're too drunk to clean them.
Hmm?
When we're too drunk to make it.
I mean rum this night, you know. Overproof. The boss. Get ginger beer for drink with the Myers. Dark and storm. you see this here now. This is a two deep and mix up. This like you know when you drink mix up, you intend for you upset your stomach or make you.
Yeah.
This I use for and it's a form of preservative, say you. Yeah man, because preservative. Kinda like this here, so we just left back some. Put it in the fridge, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you know, this no pull it one. Man, gotta bring up your fruits tonight, you know?
Yeah.
And give it little body too.
Pineapple a week, I will be a flavor. No, we use tin pineapple grace down the yard.
Yeah. Rum a kick, you know, Richard.
Yeah, man, if you kick, man. But not too much. But if you kick.
Yeah.
Smelling boy.
Smelling that show?
Yeah, man, rub my name. Probably gotta take out some more of my gloves and stuff. I don't know, you know. Yeah, but taste it, yeah. How are you? So holy name.
Shit, I don't have to make pause it test, you know.
Cast me in the eyes, and I'm sitting there giving me the ice.
Some ice.
Tell me what, man.
Alright guys, so this is the Jamaican Rum Punch. Yeah man. As you can see, all these different ingredients, of rum that we use. Some people they just, and we also add the peach schnapps liqueur to the rum punch, coconut rum. Yeah, a lot of people don't do that. They just use two rum, like the white rum or the gold rum, and that's it. But Flex Jamaican cuisine style, so it's not just food. You see me I say? Yeah man, I'm a mixologist, so this is what we do, guys. Yeah. Have to shake it properly, you know, to let everything mix in. Right, brother. Get one cup for you.
Let me cook.
Let me,
Come
man.
in there, man. We can cook them.
Oh, cup for one.
Yeah.
I have some man, I don't have the samples.
Remember they was young, man, like I said.
Ah, man.
You hide from the little bourbon, brother, that's what they say. I know you can hide from the bourbon.
There you go, more oil with us. I'm gonna taste it still. We don't know things, you know?
Right?
I eat, man. You know the thing.
Yes, boy.
Full of flavor, that's all.
Yes, boy. Him not.
Yeah, man.
Show to more you like it. Knock him out. Right.
I said, when me there hotel now, we mix the jams up them.
I put him in the fridge.
Yeah. And me not taste, you know, me just mix. Yeah,
Oh,
man.
they style,
That is it, guys. So, making Jamaican rum punch today. Flex. Jamaican cuisine style of rum punch, yes me? Yeah, man. Only me can do it like that. Try any rum punch, it's different. This one is the real deal. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Big up all my fans, all my subscribers. Please, guys, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine, to the world. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so that is it, you know. Making rum punch. No joke. Yeah, man. So, now we have to sample it, you know. Yes, all my YouTube subscribers, all my fans, big up on yourself, 100%. You guys mean the world to me, you know. Without you, my channel is nothing, so I have to big you up every time. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man.